Hey my hair warriors, I'm Aaron O'Brien, where I'm here to help you on your fabulous hair journey. If you watch my first video, you'll see how I put this beautiful system on from Lordhair.com. And today I'm going to show you some styling. I hope you're ready. Here we go. So we're about to style our system. My hair is wet, washed and beautiful. And we want to add something that's a little bit more straight with a bit of volume. I like to wear my system slightly down a little bit. So I'm going to show you how it is styled that way. And what do you need? You need a hairdryer, you need some detangling mist or spray with a bit of heat protectant in there. This actually protects up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use a smaller round brush. I like one with ceramic in here or anything that's gonna hold the heat and help mold the hair. So you get that like kind of snatched, beautiful, like voluminous look that I'm talking about. Oh, sorry, I'm forgetting something. This as well, a detangling brush. Detangling brush is key, something that has the ends of the brush protected so it doesn't rip or hurt your base, which can like drag out the hair and you'll have like bald patches. So you'll take your detangling spray, you spritz it on your wet hair, and like I said, this is also heat protectant. And then when you're combing it, like brush it really, really easy when you're working with your system. You don't want to tear any hair out. This, by the way, is a system from my friends at Lord Hair. You can check everything out at lordhair.com. It's just really good. Their systems are like, I think they're the best in the biz. Now, the first part I like to blow dry is the front. So I just section off my hair slightly, pulling the rest back. And then we're going to concentrate on this front section. You're going to start putting your hair and wrapping it around the brush and blow drying down and back slightly. This is going to give you TikTok hair. That's what I call it. This is my TikTok hair. And you're going to continue to work around the hairline. Look, it's bouncy. I'm a bouncy girl. Now, when you are blow drying, don't put the blower directly on. Set it at an angle so it creates a nice airflow and it doesn't burn the system's hair. Once you have that section done, you're going to take the section behind it and gently roll it back and then dry it. You can see it's starting to take shape. And you can see I'm being very gentle when I'm blow drying. Don't hold too much tension in the hair because it will ruin the system. Giving you Beyonce vibes. Take your brown brush gently, follow the dryer with the brush and bring it down, keeping it flat against the head. This helps the blend of your system look seamless. Now, when you are blow drying as well, if you don't want any part, you will blow dry one way over like this, and then you blow dry in the opposite direction. And this will have the hair coming more kind of forward instead of having a definite part. And there you go. It's your voluminous straight blow dry. You can add a little bit of hairspray afterwards if you want, but again, I avoid putting anything into this apart from oils. So if you use like a light oil or something along those lines, it'll add moisture to it and add a little bit of hold. And one of my favorite oils is Moroccan oil. Moroccan oil is great and I feel it works really well with the system and it doesn't leave a lot of residue on the hair afterwards when you wash it. So yeah. There you go. There's number one. So I guess I'll teach you how to curl it as well. So we have our straight look, but we like to have some versatility, girls, when we're doing our hair. Let's add a few waves or curls into our system. Now, when you do this, always again, make sure that you have your heat protector in there. You can use a mini curling iron or a mini flat iron to do this. This is great, super easy. Keep it on a low heat. Don't have it too high because if you do, you're burning the crap out of your hair. Little gripsy here. You're gonna section off the front of your hair. Now you can take the sections as thin or as thick as you like, depending on how curly you want it. I usually take about like 1/4 sections when I do this. I place her in and I turn around. There we go. Ooh! So you're gonna work that the whole way through, just like you've had some sort of crazy perm in your hair. You're gonna feel extremely sexy when you finish the whole thing. Make sure you don't hold your clamp too tight. You loosen it out of the system so you don't pull the hair out. Make sure I'm doing this right. So we're gonna keep working our way back and work quick. Don't leave the iron in your hair for a long period of time. Right, so once you have all those random pieces, and you want to just kind of give, oh, see this? See these straight pieces? You can go back in just for a moment and just curl it out just to get it back in there. So once it's done, you're going to just take your hands through the hair, mess it up. All right. There she goes. There's your curly hair vibe. We had the straight kind of voluminous look, and then we have the curly hair vibe. And again, these systems are great from Lordhair.com. They do sponsor my videos. I've been working with them for a long time. So I can definitely feel the quality when I'm styling and stuff. They last way, way longer. You can just do more to them. To finish off this, you can add a little bit of spray, a little bit of oil. I always recommend oil over hairspray for control. So if you can get an oil that has a little bit of control in it, my favorite is Moroccan oil. I think it works fantastic. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click the link, subscribe below, like my videos, and turn on those notifications to see when I put up some new content.